I'm Simon Weston from Count Financial and I'm the technical lead. Count Financial is Australia's largest independently owned network of financial planning accountants and advisors, with over 10 billion funds under advice and 900 advisors. We have around 80 staff in our Sydney head office and 6 in our Melbourne office. The primary reason for making the move to infrastructure as a service was that our infrastructure was due for refresh and out of warranty. The main benefits we're seeing in the cloud computing solution is the flexibility and scalability to increase or decrease system resources as required, improve service level agreements, 24/7 365 monitoring delivered and supported by Brennan. The hardware investment for Count in the future is no longer required. So we originally implemented the cloud computing as a two-part project. The first stage was initially implemented 2.5 years ago and was for our websites and internally developed software applications used by our advisors. Prior to the cloud computing, these were physical machines hosted in 2 separate co-located data centres. Brennan implemented this solution 6 years earlier and assisted our team in the ongoing maintenance during the time this infrastructure was in production. After successfully migrating our web infrastructure across to cloud computing and minimal disruptions over a 12-month period, we decided it would be a viable option for our internal network to be hosted within the cloud computing environment as well. Stage 2 was a much larger project, migrating our entire internally hosted server room to the Brennan cloud computing environment. We now have a dark fibre connection to the Brennan data centre that is terminated on a gigabit switch, also managed by Brennan. In our selection process, we reviewed a couple of other providers when compiling our business case. These providers varied from cloud infrastructure to dedicated servers. The main reason for choosing Brennan was price and our ongoing relationship. As I mentioned earlier, we have worked with Brennan for a number of years and the relationships we have formed with both the account management and technical teams was a big factor in our decision, along with the other benefits that are included in the cloud environment. The main piece of advice I could give is that cloud computing is a great option for your business if you have unknown growth potential in the short to medium long term. As an ASX listed company, Count is forever growing, and to team up with an IT company such as Brennan relieves the constraints over physical server environments. The biggest hurdle we had to tackle in the initial investigations was planning a physical environment for unknown business growth. A cloud environment with Brennan offers a flexible alternative backed by a skilled and experienced team.